Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you are enjoying your weekend and holiday. It's Sunday, March 13th, 2022. It's around 2 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Sule pagoda road. As you can see, the golden color stupa is a Sule pagoda. It is 2,500 years old pagoda. It is one of the iconic landmarks in Yangon. As you can see, renovation work of the pagoda is ongoing. Now I am walking across Mohabandula road. It's a bright sunny day and beautiful afternoon today. On the right side it is Cholia Jame Mosque for Muslim community. There are lots of Muslim community people live in this area. There are lots of colonial era buildings here. On the left side it is a colonial era building. Now it is the office of MPT, Myanmar Post and Telecommunication. It's Sunday, public holiday here in Myanmar. Some fruit stall. On the left side it is an Indian restaurant. People are enjoying their weekend and holiday. There is a Buddhist monk. Now I am walking across Mohabandula road. This is a footpath beside Mohabandula road. This is a neighborhood at 28th Street. Most of Indian subcontinent origin people live here. As you can see on the left side, this is a mosque for Muslim community. Some street food stalls here. Children are playing. It's a nice atmosphere now. On the left side, it is a Burmese traditional market. On the left side, it is a Buddhist monastery. A good number of vehicles are moving around this street. People are crossing the road. On the right side, it's Mughal Hall. It's a wonderful architectural design of the building. There are some vendors beside the footpath. A cleaner is cleaning the road. People are walking across the footpath. As you can see on the right side, it is an old colonial era building. It's a wonderful architectural design of the building. On the right side, it is Prasun Street. On the left side, it's some street food stalls. This is a foot over bridge connected to Sule pagoda. Now I'm walking across Sule Pagoda Road. On the right side, that white color building is Yangon City Hall. On the right side, as you can see, renovation works of the premises of pagoda ongoing. It's a wonderful afternoon now, bright sunny day and nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a pleasant weather condition now. Vehicles are moving across Sule Pagoda Road, maintaining the traffic laws. Beautiful green trees beside the road enhanced the beauty of the city. There are lots of green trees besides the road in Yangon city. Yangon is a green city. Yangon is a well-planned city. During British colonial time, British planned the Yangon city. That's why you can see everything is well-planned in Yangon. On the right side, it's a foot-over bridge. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.